This session is a deliberate pause in your journey, not a break in momentum, but a moment of deep integration. Because growth does not come only from learning new ideas, it comes from helping your nervous system and subconscious mind feel safe embodying those ideas. And over the last several days, you've expanded your vision, redefined your identity, learned how the identity loop works, shifted from reacting to creating, and confronted the hidden fear of success, and also learn how your nervous system shapes your growth capacity. And now we're going to anchor all of that into your body using EFT tapping, so these lessons don't stay intellectual but become embodied and automatic. Because real transformation happens when your mind, body, and nervous system are aligned. Before we begin, get comfortable in your seat, place your feet on the ground, sit with a tall but relaxed posture, let your shoulders soften, and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it gently for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth, letting your body know it's safe to be here and safe to change. EFT tapping works by stimulating specific meridian points in the body, which are pathways of energy recognized in Eastern medicine for thousands of years. And modern neuroscience has shown that tapping these points while focusing on specific thoughts helps calm the amygdala, reduce stress responses, and rewire subconscious emotional patterns, which is why tapping is so effective for releasing fear, anxiety, self-doubt, and resistance to growth. And it doesn't matter whether you tap on the left side, the right side, or both sides of the body, because meridians run on both sides. So choose what feels natural for you. We'll begin with the karate chop point on the side of the hand, and then I'll guide you through each point and phrase. I want you to tap and repeat the words after me, fully present, letting yourself be honest, present, knowing there is nothing to fix, only something to release and integrate. So let's get started with this. So let's begin with the karate chop, okay? And repeat after me. Even though I'm stepping into a bigger vision and higher identity, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though part of me feels stretched by growth and responsibility, I choose to feel safe expanding. Even though success requires me to become someone new, I allow this transition to be calm and grounded. Eyebrow point. I've expanded my vision. Side of eye. I see a bigger future for myself. Under eye. And that future asks more of me. Under nose. Part of me feels the weight of that growth. Chin. I've noticed the fear of success underneath the surface. Collarbone. I've learned how my nervous system reacts to change. Underarm. I don't need to force myself forward anymore. Top of head. I can grow safely and steadily. Eyebrow. I choose to think like a creator, not a reactor. Side of eye. I don't need to rush or prove anything. Under eye. My nervous system is learning that growth is safe. Under nose. I release old survival patterns. Chin. I don't need stress to succeed. Collarbone. I don't need pressure to stay disciplined. Underarm. I trust my ability to lead myself. Top of head. I am becoming the person my vision requires. Eyebrow. I release the old identity that hesitated. Side of eye. I step into my expansion identity. Under eye. I allow success to feel normal. Under nose. I allow growth to feel calm. Chin. I allow responsibility to feel empowering. Collarbone. My nervous system supports my evolution. Underarm. I trust the process of becoming. Top of head. I am safe to succeed. Now, take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for 3 seconds and slowly exhale through your mouth. And do that once more, inhaling confidence, holding clarity, and exhaling tension. And now gently close your eyes and imagine yourself standing in the version of life you've been building toward. See how you carry yourself, how you move, how you speak. Notice the calm confidence in your body, the grounded presence in your breath, the clarity in your decisions, and feel what it's like to live from this expanded identity without rushing or forcing, knowing that this version of you is not something you chase. It's something you become by alignment. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and bring that energy with you into the rest of your day.